Hi art lovers, how you doing today? Got a 7-inch saw blade here that I sanded all the rust and everything off of and painted it, and then I hit it with some sandpaper just a few minutes ago just to knock off some of the rough edges that was still on here. I taped the back, taped the holes, and my paints I'm using today is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. No silicone. And I think what we're going to do is, let's see, let's put a little red. These are, they're mixed with my 5% glue all, my 1.5 flow trawl, and then 1/2 ounce of flow improver. Okay, so let's get some yellow. We'll get some black. About running out of this. This is my white flow trawl, which went right to the bottom. Okay. Some blue. Throw a little bit of turquoise in on it. Alright. Nozzles clogged up. I don't know if you can see that or not on here, but I got a little mesh covering the hole. So if I got any dried paint or chunks or whatever, it stays in the bottle and doesn't come down in my paint. Okay, let's put a little more white into that. Alrighty. That's going to be more than enough paint for this. So, here we go. We're going to try to do a tree ring pour, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, there's a lot of paint. I'm not going to need that much paint, but it's alright. We can save it for another project. Add a little more color to it and do something else with it. Okay, I got one side going a little higher than the other. Try that. That looks pretty cool. Let that settle just a little bit. Don't want to run it off. Don't want it to run off too much. Well, now we're running that direction. Pop the bubbles. Because you noticed in the beginning I was shaking these paints up. Patience is the key here, I believe. I don't know if you can see it, but there's reds in there now. It's coming up. I don't want to lose all my turquoise right here at the edge. But I just might have to. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Yellow's coming through. That's pretty awesome. That's some pretty cool stuff. Get it over here where you people at home can see it, right? That looks pretty cool. Try to zoom it in, I'll bring it up to you. Get my light to hit it. See the yellows and the turquoise and the blues and reds, black. Alright. Try this again. Yep. Little wobbly there. I hit it again with the torch just to pop any more assisting bubbles. Alrighty, like that. So carefully scrape the bottom. This isn't necessary to do on the saw blade, but like we do on the canvases. But you know, I like that. That's pretty cool. I think we're gonna call it done. Well, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. If you like what you see, leave it down in the comments. And then, yeah, till next time, get out there and paint something.